What's happening, guys? Real quick, I want to give you my top 5 baits for late April and May on a river system. All right, so my first bait is going to be a square bill in the shad color, and I'm definitely going to be chasing that morning shad spawn. All right, so my second and third choice actually go together. I absolutely love to target shallow water vegetation, a popping frog, and a swim bait on a non-weighted swim bait hook. My fourth bait is going to be any kind of creature bait punching through some of that thicker vegetation. All right, so number 5, a jig. You can't go wrong with a jig. I'll throw this around any kind of wood, around docks, rock, and my favorite is a creek channel ledge. So if you're struggling to catch fish in late April and May, try these and then thank me later. Peace.